Hey guys, it is Dani and welcome to another video. I'm here with updates on the Atlantic. We have Tropical Storm Josephine that became a named storm not too long ago in the 11 a.m. advisory. And will it be a threat to land? Well, before I go into details with this tropical storm, please ensure to subscribe if you haven't and tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video, because I will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right through the hurricane season. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My weather account is Weather Girl Dani and my personal account is Dani Henry Official. And so we want to take a look at the satellite view of the Atlantic at this time. And so there we have Josephine to the east of the Lesser Antilles, and behind it is a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity stretching from the coast of Africa going westward. And so we have to pay attention to that. We could have that being another area of disturbed weather not very long from now, guys. And so now we want to take a closer look at Josephine right now, and actually it is looking a lot better than it did yesterday. And so there we have it. We're having a lot more shower and thunderstorm activity. We're having those areas of deep convection, and actually it was looking quite disorganized yesterday, and now we're seeing it starting to get into shape, guys. And so we're expecting it to look much better than this, as it is going to strengthen for the next about 48 hours or so. And where will Josephine go? So there we have our spaghetti models, and so we have a majority of them expecting that it will move on a northwesterly like track and then curve out up to the north and then going out to the east. And so Bermuda, if you're in Bermuda, you want to pay attention to this, because this could be a threat to your country. And we also have a few models expecting a more westerly-like track, possibly affecting the Bahamas, and a slight chance that it could affect the southeast coast, although I highly doubt that. And now we have the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty. So we have Josephine having winds of 45 miles per hour and accelerating to the west-northwest at 15 miles per hour. And so we're expecting this continuous movement during the next couple of days. As I said, not expected to be a direct threat to land, expecting it to cross well north of the Leeward Islands in Puerto Rico and then staying in between the Bahamas as well as Bermuda, but it could be a threat to Bermuda by about the middle part of the coming week, guys. And so now let's look at our wind shear map. And so there we have Josephine in an area of favorable conditions for further strengthening, but it is going to move into those reds, which indicates unfavorable wind shear for intensification. But if it continues and goes in that area very close to the Bahamas right there, it is going to have a small window for some further intensification, because it is expected to weaken after about the next 48 hours or so, guys. And the storm must be watched. And as for the sea surface temperatures across the Atlantic, there we have the Gulf, the East Coast area right there, the Caribbean, very warm ocean waters right now, guys. And so we're almost at the peak of the hurricane season, which is next month, about the middle of next month, and we're expecting a lot of tropical activities to take place, guys. And so if you live in any areas that are usually affected by tropical cyclones, please stay safe, guys. And so I will keep giving updates on the tropics as time goes by. And if you found this video to be pretty informative, please give a thumbs up, and you can also share thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I will try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And just remember to always be weather-wise.